Welcome back. Today we're going to explore the wonderful world of tiny houses as vacation homes. Tiny houses offer a unique and charming option for those seeking a cozy and sustainable getaway. Whether nestled in the mountains, by the beach, or in a serene countryside, a tiny house vacation home provides an opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and immerse yourself in nature's beauty. One of the major advantages of a tiny house vacation home is the flexibility it offers. Unlike traditional vacation homes, tiny houses can be easily transported, allowing you to explore different destinations and change your scenery whenever you desire. Imagine waking up to breathtaking mountain views one week and enjoying the soothing sounds of crashing waves the next. The freedom to take your vacation home wherever you go adds an exciting element of adventure to your travels. Tiny house vacation homes embrace the concept of minimalism, which means you can focus on the things that truly matter during your getaway. With limited space, you're encouraged to pack light and surround yourself with only the essentials. This minimalist approach creates a serene and clutter-free environment, enabling you to fully relax and rejuvenate. Vacationing in a tiny house allows you to connect with nature in a more intimate way. Many tiny house designs incorporate large windows, allowing natural light to flood the space and offering picturesque views of the surrounding landscapes. You can enjoy your morning coffee while watching the sunrise or stargaze at night from the comfort of your cozy loft. Tiny house vacation homes seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living, providing an immersive experience with nature as your backdrop. In addition to the natural beauty, tiny house vacation homes often feature outdoor living spaces such as decks, porches, or patios. These outdoor areas can be transformed into inviting lounges or dining spaces, perfect for enjoying meals al fresco or simply basking in the fresh air. Whether it's reading a book on a sun-soaked deck or gathering around a fire pit under a starry sky, the outdoor living spaces of a tiny house vacation home enhance your overall experience. The outdoor living spaces of a tiny house vacation home offer endless possibilities for relaxation and entertainment. You can set up a cozy hammock for an afternoon nap, host a barbecue with friends and family, or even create a small garden oasis with potted plants and flowers. These outdoor areas become an extension of your living space, allowing you to fully embrace the beauty and tranquility of your vacation destination. One of the joys of vacationing in a tiny house is the opportunity to disconnect from technology and reconnect with loved ones. With limited space, you'll find yourself engaging in more meaningful conversations, playing board games, or simply enjoying quality time together. Without the distractions of excessive screens and gadgets, you can fully immerse yourself in the present moment and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Tiny house vacation homes offer a unique chance to experience different cultures and local communities. By parking your tiny house in various locations, you can explore new towns, immerse yourself in local traditions, and discover hidden gems off the beaten path. You'll have the freedom to try local cuisine, visit local markets, and interact with residents, gaining a deeper appreciation for the places you visit. Another advantage of a tiny house vacation home is the sense of independence and self-sufficiency it provides. With a well-designed tiny house, you'll have everything you need within reach. From a fully functional kitchen to a comfortable sleeping area, you can enjoy the convenience of a home away from home. This self-sufficiency allows you to stay longer in your chosen destination and experience it at your own pace. Another advantage of a tiny house vacation home is the potential for cost savings. Compared to traditional vacation homes, tiny houses are typically more affordable to purchase or build. They require less maintenance, have lower utility costs, and offer the opportunity to embrace a simpler and more sustainable lifestyle. By investing in a tiny house vacation home, you can allocate more of your budget towards experiences, adventures, and creating unforgettable memories. In conclusion, tiny house vacation homes provide a unique and exciting way to experience the joy of travel and leisure. With their mobility, minimalist design, connection to nature, and cost-effectiveness, tiny houses offer a refreshing alternative to traditional vacation accommodations. We hope this video has inspired you to consider a tiny house for your next vacation. If you have any questions or would like to share your own tiny house vacation experiences, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on tiny house living.